Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Hbar. We're going to be talking about what is happening, what are some next price targets we could be looking at, and whether or not this could be close to the bottom for the price of Hbar in terms of accumulation zone. If you guys like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is of course about Hbar. Looking at its price currently sitting at 5.3 cents, up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $1.65 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $18.5 million. So now, of course, let's shift our focus towards the analysis, see what is happening and what could potentially happen as we go further into the month of May. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at Hbar right now, you guys can see, let's zoom in a little bit, and I really wanted to show you guys this. Let's just look at the update. Let's look at the update in terms of its all-time high. So of course its all-time high was last cycle, which was on September 17th, 2021, which was at 58 cents. If we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, it's still down about 91.5% since then. So now if we're looking at the closer time frame, you can really see what has been happening with the price of Hbar over the past few months. So you guys can see basically since last June. So we're approaching almost a year time. We have seen the price every single time try to break out of this level of resistance. Of course, this time around at the earlier month of Feb, we did see, of course, all the altcoins really start moving towards the ups, and we finally broke out of that level of resistance, but never managed to close above here. And we did see the price go back down, try to retest that level of resistance once again, and boom, still came towards the downside. But still, from the beginning of the year, Hbar is still up quite a bit. It's still up about 50%. And that is huge, guys. Of course, not everyone's going to think that's huge. People are going to be like, oh, Pepe's up 1,000%. Well, that's a meme coin. And is Pepe going to be here in the next bull cycle or after the next bull cycle? No one knows. But what are the chances? Not as high as Hbar in my personal opinion. So that really goes to show a lot of strong projects right now are still in accumulation zone, closer to their bottoms, and they're being overlooked. A lot of good projects right now, like ones with utility strong fundamentals, are being overlooked. Reason being, of course, is meme coin market, and of course altcoin season hasn't started, so we need to keep that factor in mind. I continue saying that on a daily basis. Altcoin season has not started, so that is why altcoins are still lagging behind. There's still a lot of boring price momentum, but a lot of projects are being overlooked, and a lot of holders, what I've noticed right now is, let's say some holders been holding their bags for so long, they're accumulating, they've lost patience, and bought all-time highs for Pepe. And that's what FOMO does to you, and that's why FOMO is extremely dangerous. And the people, now there's also this other side of the people that really truly believe in the project so much that they're taking advantage of times like these. You guys remember, when Hbar was hitting 10 cents, how much momentum, how much hype it was bringing, and everyone had, Hbar on their minds. Guess what? When the price is down right now, when the opportunity is way better to be picking it up, that amount of pressure, that amount of hype is just not there. But the ones that believe in Hbar are accumulating right now and really know how this market cycle works. And the people that missed it around here, they're going to be picking it up at higher prices. So, Hbar, I'm really liking what it's doing. Of course, it's going to retrace due to the fact that, meme coin season is extremely high. And obviously, Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of volatility within its price. BTC dominance is still high. Altcoin season hasn't started. A lot of factors as to why a lot of altcoins are lagging behind. But that does not mean they're going to lag behind forever. that definitely does not mean that I'm really expecting altcoin season to start sooner rather than later, and strong projects are the ones that are going to have their eyes on, and Hbar, in my opinion, is definitely one of them. Of course, we're being supported by our level of support. You know, this is a huge level of support for Hbar. If we lose this support, guys, there's a strong chance we could potentially see even, you know, like depending on how big of a drop it is, we could probably see 4.5 cents to 4.8 cents is definitely on the table right now. But what I would love Hbar to do is, of course, try retesting that level of resistance slowly but surely. It's not going to just happen straight in one line. It's going to take some time, but that is my initial target. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Hbar going. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.